I have what I think might be an unpopular opinion, but it shouldn't be. So lately I've been watching lots of videos about specifically math homework because, you know, that's my jam. So here's my unpopular opinion. That should not be unpopular. If math homework is causing stress, don't do it. Just don't do it. Did you know, if you ever look in your student's grade book, the homework part is usually about 10% of their grade. So you're having fights with your kids over 10% of a grade. Now you might be saying to yourself, but it was assigned. Okay, I bet they assigned it because someone said they had to do homework. But it really should be a popular opinion, because why are we going home stressing and crying over multiplication facts? We live in 2026. You can literally say into the universe, hey Siri, hey Alexa, hey you, what's 5 times 2? It's not really a requirement anymore. Okay, and yes, unpopular opinion, you do not need to memorize your math facts at the age of 9. Okay, because when you get to middle school, they're going to give you a calculator. So for 3 years, you're going to get mad at your kid. You're going to cause stress. Everyone's going to be upset. And again, it's a 10% of a grade. So what is the purpose of homework? I don't really know anymore. And as a teacher, I don't give it. I give study habits. I give note-taking guides. I might ask you to use some of those to do a project later on in life. I might ask you to answer a question in class based upon those notes and study guides, but I'm definitely not giving homework that I'm never going to talk about again. And that's what most teachers are doing, sadly, and parents are fighting with their children. So my unpopular opinion is don't do math homework. Maybe do some other homework. Maybe do some study tips with your child. Maybe do some organizational tips with your child. There are lots of other things you could do with them during that time. And if they get a 0 out of homework on their 10% towards the final grade, you let me know if that keeps them from passing the class. Okay? My unpopular opinion should be popular.